You love your daughter, but she married a deadbeat. And now you're putting together your estate plan and you want to know how you can protect her from her mistakes. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I'm a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer. And today I'd like to tell you how you can protect your daughter for monies that she would be getting after you pass away that you don't want your deadbeat son-in-law to get. Well, this is the deal. The only real way to protect the money that you would be leaving to your child, your daughter, or it could be son, you don't like your daughter-in-law, is to set up a trust in which the money that would be going to your child would be going into a trust, but it would be under the direction of another trustee. For instance, typically, if everything was going good in the family and you have just a simple revocable living trust, you're going to have the stuff after you pass away many times just go to your children and be dispersed to your children. In this case, you can take your daughter's amount that she would be getting, put it in a separate share trust for her under the management of a trustee. You see, if your daughter does not have immediate access to the funds, if she can't go into your box or into your trust and go and pluck those funds, deadbeat husband cannot get those funds either. If it's in a separate share trust, under the absolute discretion of the trustee, your daughter has to go to the trustee and ask for any specific funds. So that would protect the funds if your daughter has a deadbeat husband, if he has creditors, if she has creditors. It's one way to make the assets protected, and it may be called a separate share asset protection trust. If you have any questions regarding how to protect your daughter from some of the decisions that she makes, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.